Hey everyone, welcome to my new blog Radhe Radhe. Good evening all of you. Today is Sunday and take a blog in during evening. So you can see behind me the orange clouds and it's a beautiful view of my blaze. As you can see guys, stunning view. I'm walking on my roof. As you can see guys, this is Masha and you saw orange clouds in my blaze. It's a beautiful view of my blaze. uh, I love it, that view. Let's go down because I'm feeling hungry, so I'm going to eat. Guys, I'm going to dinner and I'll show you my dinner. So this is puri and aloo sabzi and wattle gourd and bread, chapati, and this is kadhai dal. I'm going to eat and I will meet you after that. Hey guys, I have had my meal completely. I need some water because I am very thirsty. I finished my meal and you can say dinner. I have had my dinner. He is wearing his clothes. What are you doing, Kavis?
I am wearing clothes.
Have you take bath?
I have taken both.
Good, very good. And how do you feel like now?
I feel so better.
No need to learn parts of speech and any grammar rule. You should learn only spoken English structure of sentences. Okay, so if you are learning about these topics, so you will definitely learn English, you will definitely speak English. Okay, you are have this bottle.
Yeah.
Which person will have this bottle?
My mother is tapped this bottle.
From where? Hey, what are you doing on my roof?
I'm sitting.
On the cot.
I'm sitting on.
Are you feel tired?
I'm not feel tired.
You can see behind me so awesome clouds. Wow, what a beautiful view of my blaze. So beautiful. Wow. It's an amazing. Guys, this vlog shooting at night. I mean evening time. It's time to eat 12. Do you have had meal? Do you take your meal?
I'm not.
Guys, he didn't eat.
No, I'm not feeling hungry.
You can see this child literally speak English with me. If you are practicing every day, every time and think in English, so you will definitely speak English and improve your English. So please try it and this way. And if you are watching my blog, so please subscribe my channel and share this video and like this video. I'm going to end this vlog now. Hope you guys you loved my vlog and thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Good night all of you. Radhe Radhe.